Now, I know that Adrian Broner's your friend, but wouldn't it be financially better for you if Paulie Malignaggi won? You guys had a Twitter war back and forth, negotiations were almost set, you were gonna have a fight. It's basically a fight that the buildup is already there, and it'll be a unification for Devin Alexander if he fights Paulie Malignaggi. Because Adrian Broner's Al Haymon, you're Al Haymon, it's a tougher fight to make.
Well, like I said, I'm not gonna go into that. I ain't gonna go into that. I think hands down, Twin's gonna dominate Paulie Malignaggi. No questions asked. I think it's gonna be pretty easy for Adrian. So it's gonna be a good fight. But before it's Paulie, you know, if it comes back around there, I'll be happy to oblige that. But other than that, you know, I'm here to watch the fights and root my man Twin on.
Now, you're in the sport, you're a champion in the sport, but you should know better than us fans and media that if Paulie loses this fight, it's off to Showtime commentator for him. It's going to be very hard to get back on the networks. It was hard for him to get on the networks, and he was forced to go overseas to capture that title. Being as though that he went overseas and he had to get the title the hard way when no one believed in him, when his promotional company only bid $250,000 for a purse bid. Is that added motivation because he knows that on the other side of the road, there's really nothing left if he doesn't win this fight?
Well, if I was Paulie Malignaggi, I mean, I would say I have nothing to lose. You know, Twin is a rising star. You know, I'm kind of getting up in age, and I have nothing to lose, so he might as well go for it. But, you know, I think, you know, it's out with the old and in with the new nowadays, and I think Twin, his skill set is too much. You saw what Amir Khan did to Paulie Malignaggi with the speed and everything, and Twin has speed and power. So, you know, if I was Malignaggi, I'd just, you know, say, okay, I have nothing to lose. I'm going for it the whole night, you know. But like I said, I don't think it's going to work.
Now, we've seen Paulie Malignaggi get hyped up for fights. He's done it with you on Twitter. He's done it with Paul McCloskey. He's done it with Marcos Maidana, Amir Khan. But when it actually comes down to the fight, I mean, I guess his biggest opponent that he beat is Sinchenko and Juan Diaz. Could Juan Diaz and Sinchenko be even put in the same category as an Adrian Broner?
No, not at all. The skill set is totally different. For his heart, probably the heart category can be put into content, but other than that, you can't put them on the same pedestal, the same skill set at all. Juan Diaz, he has a skill set, but not as an Adrian Broner. Sinchenko, not as an Adrian Broner. He got the European style, so you can't compare none of that at all to that.